Hey everyone, there's a big reason why you're not making as much money in crypto as you thought you would. I talked about it on this in yesterday's video, but today we're diving deeper. If you don't understand those three things, you are going to keep losing. Let's begin with reason number one. There are too many crypto coins every cycle. It gets worse. Millions of new coins flooded the market every month. There are so many websites out there that make it super easier to create crypto coin. So now you're basically gambling with the odds stacking against you. Which coin is going to take off? Who knows? Unless you are an insider or get lucky. Back in 2017, there were fewer than 1,000 cryptocurrencies circulating. The money was more focused on a few assets. Fast forward to 2021, and there were tens of thousands of coins, but even that wasn't bad as today. Now there are so many crypto projects out there, and on top, not to mention, you got meme coin, that liquidity is spread way too thin. The second reason they're getting better at taking your money. They turned this into a science from pump and dump scheme to exchange manipulation order book. The system is designed to extract as much money as possible. And it's getting more worse or complicated, what's another word, manipulated each and every day. It doesn't help that regulation is pretty much non-exist. Meme coins and shitty crypto projects are everywhere. Without proper protection, retail traders like you and myself are the easy target. And the last reason, retail traders are broke. Retail investors are in a tough spot. In 2020 and 2021, people had COVID check, another word, pre-money, and better economy. Now inflation is up, credit card debt is at record high, the job market is shaky, and people just don't have the same disposable income. And it doesn't end there. Food, rent, electricity, literally you name it, everything is up in the sky. The market is tougher because few people are pumping money into it. Put it this way, there are more crypto coins, better scam, and poor retail trader. It's insane how hard it's gotten to make money in this cycle. But there is still hope. If you want to play it safe, stick to Bitcoin. It doesn't suffer from all of those manipulations that those newer crypto projects do. You would have been better off just buying Bitcoin or Solana and holding on. Most of you probably earned making the money you thought you would. And it's only going to get harder from here. Make sure you guys follow me to stay updated on what's really happening in the crypto world. Share this with the friends who into crypto because this is valuable information. If you're new to this space, you need to arm yourself with knowledge. Otherwise, my friend, you are going to get crushed. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this part, and I will see you guys in the next one. Shukriya.